Hi, this is Gena Mayo from Music in Our Homeschool and I Choose Joy, and I would like to tell you about a tip that I learned early on in my homeschool journey that has absolutely saved our homeschool. When I was teaching my oldest child, first grade, I had a kindergartner and 3 younger kids already. So my kids are close together and I have 8 of them. And what I learned from the beginning was that you can combine different subjects to teach all your kids at once. And I have done this every single year for the past 15 years. For example, this year I am teaching Spanish to all 5 of my kids from grades 3rd grade through 10th grade. I often combine the subjects of science and history and literature. And really, the only thing the kids have to do individually on their own are those things that are skill-based, like math, handwriting, learning to read, those kinds of things. The other subjects I've combined as many as I can until they were independent learning and able to do a course all on their own, like my 11th grader is doing this year. So I hope that that tip really helps you and that it saves your homeschool like it did mine.